Today we're swinging by the home of the dinosaur Mas Grande in Trelew. And that's the dinosaur, that's the bike. Woo! Falling downhill. It's a big boy. That's what he looks like. And we're in the middle of nowhere, but they got a dinosaur. There goes Gyro. I can read this for you, because I speak fluent Spanish. It says, Este es el dinosaurio más grande del mundo. Oh hey, this is working. Just wanted to shoot a live video real quick. We are, just dogs. Just dogs. Yep. Definitely stealing the show. Anyway, we're sitting here at a small restaurant outside of Puerto Madryn, listening to Tina Turner's greatest hits. And this is the ocean in the background. A very small town of about 300 people. It's a really windy day down here right now. It's really calm down in this cove. That's about it. Tomorrow we'll start heading north, and we're going to see some penguins, some killer whales, some seals, if we can get to all that. Is my hat crooked? It feels crooked. Looks crooked. There goes those dogs running, just having a good time. Yeah, so heading toward Buenos Aires tomorrow, and hopefully the bikes will make it. All three are kind of struggling right now. Gyros and Adams are burning oil and making some noises. Sounds like valves that need to be done, and mine is knocking like it needs a rebuild. So we'll see how it goes. Today is our first day on the East Coast. This is the Atlantic Ocean, and we're in a town called Puerto Madryn, spelled with a Y. And it's kind of balmy, it's warm, it's windy. Kind of reminds me of the East Coast of the US around the Virginia area. Same with the buildings too. Some high rises. The term spirituality has pretty much been destroyed. I partially blame the money-making spirituality movement. Big spirituality. I guess I'd call it. But it's sad. It's sad that the term is just shit now. It doesn't mean anything anymore because it's been abused and just co-opted. And it's too bad when bad things happen to good words. And now, even the term spiritual bypassing, which is a great way to explain people who use the term spirituality wrong, even that term spiritual bypassing is going to shit and being misused. And then you've got people like me who are actually legitimately spiritually bypassing, and that's not a good thing, by the way, for those of you that don't know the term. Consciousness is another one of those words. What is it even? You know, what are we talking about anymore? I kind of saw this coming, but man, I didn't expect this level of materialism and ego. Oh man, this is just really off the rails. Whew. So now we need new words, right? We need a new word for spirituality. But you know what? It's just gonna get all fucked up again. People are idiots. And they hear a thing and they start saying it and they don't know what they're talking about. And it doesn't matter because who gives a shit and everybody's making money and life is good. I checked out somebody else's movement yesterday. That sounds funny. Better than saying I checked out someone else's thing, I guess. But it really put me off kilter and ruined my whole day. It just set in motion a chain of events. What it set was me off center, so that when events happened, I was losing my shit because I was all out of whack from trying to reconcile my life with what I was seeing going on around me. These fucking people don't know what they're doing, and even if they do, who gives a shit? It's got nothing to do with me. It's got nothing to do with me. It's not my thing. I don't care. I don't need to make a judgment or call it right or wrong or support it or reject it. I just gotta be about my business. Stop looking at other people's movements and things. I don't fit in. I'm not one of you. Whatever you are, I'm not one of you. Don't tell me people's lives are changing. I don't give a shit. I've heard it all before. I saw the con come and go more than once, and it's the same stuff. It cracks me up the way people make fun of, like, TV evangelists. Low-hanging fruit, easy target, make fun of the TV evangelist. And now these YouTube evangelists and Facebook evangelists are the same thing. They're selling the same thing. And even if they're not, they're selling something different to the same part of people. It's a lie. It's a lie. Pretty faces and beach houses. So I guess what it comes down to is that maybe your words were never meant to be sacred. We want them to be, but maybe we need to stop saying spirituality and start doing spirituality. Or maybe we need to stop doing spirituality and start being spirituality. Maybe we just need to be. And stop selling it. And stop promoting it. You know, the further I get down this path of whatever it is I'm on, I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't know what to call it. I'm having fewer and fewer sacred things. Fewer and fewer sacred cows, I guess you'd call them, that I want to defend to the death. Run! Oh, God! Oh, yep! Oh, ah. I'm so busy working on my shit, trying to achieve limitlessness. Broken, right? It's the way up is the way down. Then you meet a single mom who just, like, takes care of her kid and has some kind of inner strength about her. Fights the fight, displays courage and love and depth, you know, and I wonder why she's not on stage. Because she's doing something real. And all this other bullshit is just bullshit, man.